Okay, so let's we go ahead on that one. So far we are discussed about the power supply and the op-amp. Op-amp is used to, you will going to generate the PWM square waveform and then sine waveform or sine waveform or a sine square triangular. So these all are the waveform you are going to generate, that one sine, okay, square and the triangular. So these are the waveform you will going to generate, that one op-amp is used to, you will going to generate. Okay, see, op-amp is what is the purpose? Op-amp is a low signal it is a giving, and then it is a output is a high signal. So low signal to high signal, that is called op-amp. The purpose of you are going for that op-amp, this is will go see that one introduction will going to see op-amp, low signal to high signal converter. How it is converted? How it is converted means, the op-amp contain for that gain, the op-amp contain for that gain. So difference of that voltage, okay, I will show you for that one pictures you will going to see. So there are two input, there are, see, this is a, so far we are op-amp means this op-amp, okay, there are plus symbol and minus symbol, plus for that non-inverting input. Non-inverting input means the output is in phase, okay, output is in phase. So it is nothing but a comparator type of that circuit diagram I will show you. So there are two input, okay, plus input also you are going to apply, minus input also apply. So this is called a VD. VD means comparator. Don't think it I will going to make the short circuited. It's not a meaning of the short circuited. It's a VD, difference of the voltage. So there are two input. One is here an input and this is another input. Difference of the VD input multiply with the gain. Gain is a 10 to power 5 to 10 to power 6. So VD multiply A is equal to output. Output is equal to VD multiply A. What is VD? Difference of the two input. Difference of the two input multiply with the gain. Okay, that is called, okay, it is a op-amp. Okay. Okay, then next one, this is a okay, then next one op-amp. And the purpose of op-amp addition, it is a addition, subtraction, integration, differentiation of the comparator. Like comparator means two input and the output is produced, two input and one output, or you will going to vary. Okay, so this is about the purpose, and application wise you will going to, yeah. So this is about the two input. Okay, op-amp is a symbol of the op-amp, V1, V2. What is a V1? It's a plus terminal. So source is a, okay, sine waveform connected to the plus terminal, or here you can square waveform you can give. So whatever you will going to give for the input, there are two input, or resistance you can give that one, potential divider you can connect it here, here you can give. So it will going to make the comparison. So what is a plus? Plus it is denoted as a non-inverting input. Minus is denoted for that inverting input. Okay, these are the op-amp basics. Okay, we coming back about this one later. Okay, we'll come back. Okay, so this is about that one. So far about that op-amp is developed. Op-amp means what is the purpose of op-amp? Okay, it is amplitude. Okay, the output is amplitude. So I mean, how it is amplitude the output? How it is amplitude means, the input is a comparison. The input is a comparison, that is called VD, and multiply with the gain, it is equal to output is amplitude waveform. Okay, so far I have covered about only op-amp. So okay, is it any other possibilities method to develop the amplifier? So this is a amplifier. Op-amp is a amplifier. Any other method? This is one method is called as LM. Okay, this is about that one old famous IC. So the old famous IC it is used to, you will going to develop for that amplifier. So the 741, one of the very old famous IC used to develop for that this op-amp amplifier. Is it any other possibilities? I don't have that one is a 741. I don't have the 741. What is any other possibilities to develop the op-amp? What is any other possibilities means, that is this unit, BJT and FET. These two devices help for that the same amplification. The same amplification you can do for that these same. So what are that one you will going to see? So here is a BJT available, here is a FET is available. BJT, bipolar junction transistor. So transistor used to, you will going to do the op-amp. So how amplifier, how it is do means, so in the transistor consists of common collection, there are three terminals in the transistor. You should know first one. So collector, first one is a base, collector, emitter. There are three terminals. So this is a transistor. Okay, the transistor consists of first one base, collector, emitter. See that one, this is a base terminal, this is a base terminal. Okay, next one is collector terminal, next one this side is a collector and emitter. So we're going to see. Yeah, so first one about that one transistor BJT. BJT is a bipolar junction transistor. Bipolar junction transistor. Okay, that it consists of N channel. So there are two type available: N channel. Another one is called the P channel available. Okay, and what is that one N channel and the P channel? I will tell you. So I will going to better. I will going to make it on that one line. Okay, N channel and the P channel. And the first one, how many number of terminals? So terminal wise, if you have see that one, there are three terminals. What are the three terminals? So base terminal. Okay. So base terminal. Another one is collector terminal, emitter terminals. So this is three terminals. So what is a base? So B for that base terminal. So this base terminal is the input terminal. So input terminal. Another one is a C. C for that collector terminals. Okay, C for that collector terminal, collector. So collector means what is that one? This is called output terminal, output side. Okay, another one is E for that one, emitter terminal. Emitter means it's a common ground. So like about that one, so it's a common ground method. Okay, common for input and output, it's a common. You can see that one symbols. See here is a okay base, base. Another one is collector is there and here is collector. Emitter is there. So which side you have see inside depthly there is a arrow mark is there. One is a inward direction, another one is outward direction. When it outward direction means center is a P. The center is a denoted for that P for the outward direction. Inside means N. N side means N. So inside is N means this side you can fill it PNP transistor. Similarly outward direction, so P, so NPN transistor. It's a transistor is classified. So what is the N channel and what is the P channel? Now you will going to see this is a N channel, this is a P channel of the transistor. N channel transistor and the P channel of the transistor. So another one thing, purpose of the transistor. Okay, purpose of the transistor. The transistor is a purpose. There are two purpose. Okay, two purpose. One is a switch. Okay, there are two purpose. One for that is switch. Switch means what? On and off. On and off. Okay, another one is for that amplification. So amplification. So amplification. It's nothing but op-amp. So it will do that op-amp amplifications. So like about the transistor. So how it is means it has that one. There are three terminal. Okay, three terminal base, collector, emitter. So you have see in that one before I will going to copy this one base, collector, emitter and keep here pasted and put the C in front of that one. C, C, C. Okay, I have put the C. So common base, common collector, common emitter. This is a configuration. When you have just it is I will going to give the small introduction. These are the introduction for that one about the device, electronic device you have studied. Okay, the basic of electrical engineer you should engineering subject you should be studied. Okay, so particularly common emitter is a good for that amplification. Common emitter is the effective for that amplifications. Okay, another one is this is the things and there are three region wise you can yeah, three region you can say. Okay, cut off region, cut off. Okay, another one is a saturate, another one is called a one more region called a active region. There are three regions. Okay, so generally these two region for on and off, these two region for that on and off. First one cut off, so off, so off purpose. Another one is on purpose. But when you have gone to see detailedly, these two region also will going to include it in common emitter configuration place. Okay, active region means amplifier. These are the some basic details about that. Some basic details about that transistor. Okay, so particularly we'll go ahead on that one. Common emitter means what? So emitter should be in common. So you know that one rotations. So where is the normally base should be is an input, but here is common emitter means emitter is an input. Like you will going to give the rotations. Okay, this don't get the more confused. First you will want to learn about this basic details about the transistors. So coming to here, So what is a BJT? BJT is a bipolar junction transistor. That a transistor also you are going to use as an amplification purpose. That's an amplifier. That's all. So that amplifier name is called a class A amplifier. Okay, there are you will going to learn, you will going to see about that one. It's a class A amplifier. Okay. So that one you will going to see about the class A amplifier. And class A available means is class B also available? Yes, class B available. Here you have see that one push-pull amplifier, that is called class B amplifier. Then class A amplifier, it has the drawback. What is the drawback of the class A amplifier? You know, it is a poor efficiency. Poor efficiency, that is efficiency. So that's why what you will going to do, Darlington pair. So Darlington pair means darling means what? Darling. So you will going to casually you are going to call for that one husband and wife. They are going to call as a darling. So darling means they have the couples. So like their couples. Okay, easy to remember purpose. I am telling you, their darling means couples. So to, instead of one members, class A means only bachelor. Okay, he got the married. That is called darling. So pair means two members. Okay, so two members is coming means what will happen? So class A amplifier, two class A amplifier means, so their output is a performance is a beta square, gain is square, gain. So gain one multiply gain the another two. So what is that one? Gain square. So you can say gain square. Now what will happen? Gain is increased. Okay. Then class B amplifier is its a name is called a push-pull amplifier. That is a class B amplifier. Then another one is called a differential amplifier. Differential. So differential amplifier means same as it is for that one op-amp what you have seen. This is also you can call the, you will go to comparator. Comparator is a differential amplifier. This is I will going to give as a comparator. So input 1 I will going to give, input 2 I will going to give. So externally, okay, if I am going to give means it will going to compare. VD is nothing but what is the VD? It's a comparison. That is called a comparison. That is called a differential amplifier is nothing but a comparator. Differential amplifier is nothing but a comparator. Okay, only one thing. So these okay, in this unit I said already it's a BJT. So BJT means transistor. Transistor wise you will going to develop the Darlington class A amplification, Darlington push pull and differential amplification. All the things you will going to develop for the transistor. You are using the transistor to develop. Okay. So first one, if you want to amplify the output, then you can go for that amplifier. The amplifier very famous old one is 741. 741 you can use to, you will going to get the amplifier. How it will going to amplified means, if you have seen that one, how it is amplified means, so the output of amplifier is equal to output is equal to, so gain multiply VD. So VD is the difference of the input, okay, and multiply with the gain. Gain is not only 10 to power 7, okay, 7 to 9 is a gain, okay, 10 to power 7 to 9, that is called the output. That's why output is gain. So if you want to amplifier means you can use for the L74, sorry, what is that one? 741 IC. Okay, any other possibilities means that yes, another possibility is available, that is called BJT. The BJT also it will going to do that one, amplifying the output. The BJT also amplify. So if you want to see that one, so some basic, okay, how it will going to do means that is a class A amplifier is amplifying. Yes, it is amplified, but it is a poor efficiency. And I want to increase the efficiency. Increase the efficiency means you can get the marriage. So if you're going to get the marriage, one person now you will going to pair. There are two members, they will going to take care about the family. So one person only went to the job. So now there two members, they are getting the pair. So darling. So you will go to two members. So they are married. Okay, two members. So two into class A amplifier. So their gain multiply gain. So gain squared is coming. Okay, beta squared. Beta square, that is called. So now this is one of the method. So class A is a normal 1%, now 2%. Next class B amplifier. Class B amplifier means, so it is also two transistor they are using. So it is a name is a okay, it is connection based. It is called as a push pull amplifier. Push pull amplifier. So it is a compare with A, it is a better performance. Okay, compare with A, better performance. That is called a push pull amplifier. The next one more amplifier is called differential amplifier. Differential amplifier is nothing but okay how the op-amp is comparator is doing, how the op-amp comparator is doing. Similarly here you can see that when there are two input, you are giving comparing, and that is called VD. So VD multiply gain, that is called comparator. Similarly you will going to do for that comparator in BJT, comparator in BJT.